From 49th and Market, we have a brand new item. This is called Foundations Album Number 1. Now, I'm not sure what number 2 or number 3 is, but number 1 is 6 inches by 8 inches, and it has 6 pages inside. Now, Lene has already started decorating it, so you will be decorating it yourself, but just to give you some ideas. Now, this is heavy chipboard, and it's all white, which is really nice. And you're going to get, let me turn this over to show you what you're going to have. There's going to be 6 pages inside, but that's a little deceiving because each page opens up. So you've got 2 pages, then you've got the back side of the previous page. So that gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 surfaces for every single page. Yes, 4 times 6 is 24. Now the other thing you can do is you can take the page, score it just score it down, and you can make a fold out area like this. So let me just show you what Lene has done. So she has used, this is the Alice paper pack from our friends at Stamperia. She's used some doilies with it, some of the 49th and Market flowers. And look how lovely, how lovely. This 4x6 size is what the album is. The pages are slightly less than 4x6. So of course you can make little areas to have tags. And she has used this for journaling. And let me show you this. So she has just folded this one back and decorated those sides of it. So lots of things you can do. And what Lene shared with me is what she really appreciates out of this is that with those surfaces, it's enough to give a really lovely gift, but it's not something that's going to take you 3 months to do. So that's really nice. So again, this is the Foundations Album, 6 by 8, 3 inches deep, and just really, really nice. Let me show you the top of it. You can see how those pages are separated so you can do some fun things like folding them, just like Lene did.